The bad news is only bad if you haven't anticipated it. So ask your Professional Solutions Insurance Services agent about insurance that protects and service that matters. Professional Solutions Insurance Services. Good news for businesses of all types and sizes.
Iowa Fencing, talking everything you want to know. Jason and Jackie about fencing as we focus on business with Professional Solutions Insurance Services. So first, tell us about your company. How long have you guys been around?
The company was started in 1997. I purchased the company late 2009, 2010.
And where are you guys located?
We're located in Ankeny, right off Ankeny Boulevard.
Okay, and you guys have been in that secure location for a while, so people want to get some fencing done at either the residence or their business. Is it best to call you or just stop by?
Just give us a call. We also have a feature on our website that says live quote, where if they just kind of want to get a ballpark idea of what it would cost to put a fence in their place, it's kind of a convenient tool that they can use to click and draw on their fence. Kind of a neat feature for just getting some information.
And what seems to be the most popular fencing for a residence, for example?
Yeah, good question. I would say that the most popular fence that we see in the backyard, and that's kind of where we specialize in, is going to be your black chain link or black vinyl coated chain link fence.
So the vinyl coated is the most popular now, as opposed to the silver one or the galvanized chain link fence.
Yeah, it's just a lot more dressier. You don't have that schoolyard type look. You know, really is more fitting. It has a lower visibility factor, so it kind of blends into landscaping and things like that.
Now, is black the only color you guys have available, or can you get some other colors too?
Great question again. You can get the brown vinyl, the green vinyl, the black, but by far I'd say 90% plus are going to go with the black.
And how long does that vinyl coating stay on the fence? How long can a consumer expect that to be looking good, for example?
Well, you know, it comes with a 12-year warranty against any type of manufacturer's defects, but you could expect it for 20, 25 years or better, I would think.
So the sun beating on it, obviously, there's nothing that's going to shake.
It has UV inhibitors in it, and yeah, you know, anything dark is going to have some kind of a fade over time, and based upon the quality of black vinyl fence that you choose, you can have more fading than a higher quality.
Now, speaking of quality, and the reason I'm asking all these questions is because vinyl chain link fence, real popular for a while, but for a while, some of the vinyl coated chain link fence, it was cheap. It was not any good. You could take your hand, you could push it through it, and dogs could figure that out real easy too. And chows, we had some chows for a while. They figured out they just push hard enough, they can go right through that vinyl coated fence. But nowadays they've made some vast improvements.
Right. We use once again we use a real heavy duty black chain link fence. Everything's vinyl coated, and even the fittings. We do a touch up at the end with some vinyl coated specialized paint that covers the galvanized nuts and bolts to finish it off and look real good. But
that's nice.
What other kind of fencing do you guys put in?
You know, in the backyard, we typically there's your ornamental iron. That's a popular fence around swimming pools and landscaped areas, but backyards as well. You know, for people that want some perimeter fencing, security, and you know, that see-through visibility. They're not so concerned about the privacy, but some nice looking containment. Kind of pricey, but real nice looking.
And if you are concerned about privacy?
Privacy fence, you've got your vinyl privacy fencing. It can come with a lattice top. It can most people choose it without a lattice top. It does come in some different colors, like the almond tan, a clay color. The vinyl privacy fencing doesn't weather as good. Here's your wood privacy fence with a lattice top. This guy wanted a square lattice versus the diamond lattice. Just kind of close off in between a couple garages there.
And so you guys can accommodate the different types of lattice too.
Yep.
Now, do you build them in-house, or do you have a supplier?
We build all the wood fence, you know, on piece by piece.
Oh, really?
We actually look at each board to make sure that it's of the quality we want it to be before we put it up.
So it's not out of the box then?
Oh, no. It comes from a professional fence supplier. The Western Red Cedar, we purchase it directly through them. And you know, it's just a higher quality.
I suppose it depends on the fence you choose and how much area you're trying to put fence up in, but about how long does it take to put up a fence for a residential area?
Yeah, great question. Depends on the size, obviously, and the type of fence, but typically in a day or two. One day we have to set the post, and then the next day a lot of times we'll come back and put the rest of the fence up.
So a pretty quick process once you get everything.
Yeah, it sure is. It's just this time you're trying to get to the people on the list.
What's the lag time now? So say if somebody picks up the phone today and they call you and they say, hey, listen, I need a fence. You talk me into it. I'm going to come to Central Iowa Fencing. How long of a wait do you think somebody will have?
Typically, this time of year, I think most of the fence companies are somewhere there between 5 and 7 weeks, maybe 4 on the low end. But
so it's something you want to plan for.
Yep.
Obviously.
Yep. Give yourself a month or two to plan for it. I'd say 2 months if you really want to make sure that you're getting the fence when you want to get it. You know, if you have a plan, a specific date, or getting a new puppy or something like that.
Now, what about suggestions for fencing? So somebody says, I need to enclose this area, but I don't know what to do.
You know, it's just great to give us a call and we can come out and give you a consultation, look at what you're trying to do. You know, they say good fences make good neighbors. No doubt about that. You know, sometimes you can add different combinations of fence. Maybe it's a privacy fence on the sides of your house with some open style fencing on the back. We see a lot of dog owners that want to contain their backyard, whether to keep the other dogs out and keep their dogs in. Right. People with children, small children, are scared that you know they'll run out of sight, you know, while they're not looking. So, you know, yeah, just give us a call and we can discuss that and see and go through different things that might fit. Going on the website too is a good idea.
Yeah, I love that idea that you can kind of get an idea and get the different options right there on the web before they even give you a call.
Yep, and get yourself a live quote as well by clicking on the live quote button.
Wonderful.
There you go. Perfect. All right, so here's what we're talking about. Central Iowa Fencing up in Ankeny, over off of Ankeny Boulevard, 232 number. That's interesting. 232-6647. 232-6647 for Central Iowa Fencing. Well, very nice to meet you, Mark. Appreciate it.
Nice meeting you.
Best luck to you, man.
Thank you.
We'll be right back, folks.